Now what I'm going to do after I've got the lines drawn in the piece, marking both edges, I'm going to take my skill saw and I'm going to rip down one edge, and then I'm going to take my sawzall over there and I'm going to rip down the other edge, and split this 2x4 in the middle. And I'm going to try to find a place to set this camera so I can show you how to do this and move on to the next step. So bear with me just for a second. So what I'll do, what you got to do is you got to make sure that the skill saw, when you're using the skill saw, that it stays level. So the best thing to do would be to pull slow while you're making this cut, so that way you're not taking a chance on turning the saw sideways and pinching the blade and causing a kickback or even messing up your workpiece. Now what I normally do is I normally clamp it down, but today I think I'm going to try it without clamps and see if I can do that. So let's see what good we can do here. Now that you've made your cut with the skill saw, as you can see I got it a little bit crooked there, but that's okay. We're going to take the sawzall